Ripper the Clown here, and you know, I may be an unpredictable cartoon character come to life, but you know what? My life is not all fun and controversial video spoofs. My life is just like yours. I still have boring and mundane household chores. And on the docket today, yard work. As you can see, I've got my trusty chainsaw, and I'm going to cut down and trim some trees. Ripper plus a chainsaw equals unpredictable comedy chaos, don't you think? I mean, I may go nuts and cut down an oak tree, or maybe even a weeping willow. Yeah, hard telling who will run afoul of me running amok with a chainsaw. Let's fire this baby up and get to work, shall we? You know what? Chainsaws can be dangerous, and sometimes accidents happen. Sometimes you cut yourself, sometimes you chop off a hand or a finger, and sometimes, if you're not careful, your Christmas lights can get severed. It's a sad, sad day for Ripper the Clown. Rip's Christmas lights, R.I.P.